Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best grinding dust shroud for angle grinder. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best grinding dust shroud for angle grinder for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. A grinding dust shroud is an essential tool for anyone using an angle grinder, especially when working in environments where dust control is crucial. Designed to capture dust and debris generated during grinding, these shrouds not only improve safety but also enhance efficiency and cleanliness on the job site. When selecting a grinding dust shroud, here are key factors to consider. Ensure the shroud fits your specific angle grinder model. Most shrouds are designed to be universal, but double-check the specifications to avoid mismatches. Look for a shroud that offers effective dust collection. Some models come with integrated vacuum ports, allowing you to connect a vacuum system for superior dust extraction. This is particularly important when working with materials that produce fine, hazardous dust, such as concrete or stone. A durable, impact-resistant material is a must. Many shrouds are made from tough plastic or rubber, which can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty grinding. Adjustable depth and angle settings make it easier to use the shroud in different grinding positions and tasks, from surface grinding to corner grinding. A tool-free setup and user-friendly design will save time and effort during operations. A good grinding dust shroud enhances safety, reduces cleanup time, and protects your respiratory health. Investing in a high-quality dust shroud is a smart move for both professional and DIY grinders. Thanks for watching the video.